Hey guys, I'm MP Chandrasekhar, certified personal trainer for John's Fitness. Today we are going to see a conditioning program or a high intensity exercise program for any sportsman in the world across any sport. I mean, it can be cricket, football, basketball, martial arts like karate, kung fu, kickboxing, any sport, badminton, shuttlecock, tennis, whatever sport, running, jumping, etc. Okay, so this is going to enhance your conditioning level. Okay, so what in case if you are not a player, if you are not a sports person? Again, for the normal person, it is going to enhance the conditioning level of your lung and heart. Okay, and at the same time it is going to keep yourself fit in the shortest time period. For the sports person, it is going to increase the conditioning level. Okay, the agility, the quickness, the explosiveness, everything is going to improve. So their game is going to be changed in a different level. Okay, so we are going to see combination of exercises across different levels, uh, for the beginner level, intermediate, and the advanced. So there are just two combination. So one is gonna be jumping and a push-up for the beginners. For the beginners, it's only the toe jump, or you can go for the overhead hand raises with a jump, followed by push-up immediately, back to back without any rest. And then the next combination is for the intermediate, jumping jacks and then push-up. And for the advanced level players, it's gonna be high knees followed by push-ups. So the total time to execute this combination is 5 minutes. You will be executing this combination of exercises back to back without any rest in between for a total of 5 minutes. Just in case if you need some rest in between the 5 minutes, you can take somewhere between 10 seconds to 20 seconds or 15 seconds at the maximum. Or you can just go for 2 deep breaths. 1, 2, you are done. You will be moving on to the exercises immediately. Okay, let's see the combination. So first it's gonna be the beginner level. So before executing any exercise program, please consult your doctor. Beginner level, toe jumps and the push-up. Let me see how it works. So shoulder width stance or a little bit closer is fine. Okay, and we are gonna do 10, just 10 toe jumps, and then immediately followed by 5 push-ups. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'll show you the sideways. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the other alternate is, if you want, if you feel less intensity, you can raise your hand over your head for maximum or additional intensity. This is gonna be bit tougher than the normal one. Overhead is gonna work your core muscles as well. Okay, so the next combination is for the intermediate, jumping jacks and then push-ups. Okay, let's see how it works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again jumping jacks, you sideways. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so complete this for 5 minutes for the advanced player. So high knees. So high knees doesn't mean that you have to lift your knees high. So it can be low, it can be medium, or it can be high. Okay, 5 seconds of high knees followed by 5 push-ups. Okay, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. sideways, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Okay, so these are the combination of exercises for 3 different levels. Execute this for full 5 minutes, okay, without any rest in between, and ensure if you want to take any rest, please take rest in between. Try this workout, comment me how it has worked for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.